Okay, hi. My educational acronym is School Accountability Report Card. So just like our students, the schools will also get report cards that will be able to, as you see here, let um, student parents of the school children, they'll be able to view them and look over them, and it provides the parents with valuable information pertaining to the performance of their school, that their child attends. It gives the demographics of the school, student testing, data, teacher qualifications, textbook sufficiency, books they use, school safety. All of these are areas that are graded in the SARC, um, just like any other report card. Why do we have a SARC? Well, it's required by the Federal Elementary and Secondary Education Act that each state produce an annual report card that summarizes data of students statewide uh, and separated or disaggregated by student groups. Uh, there's some important information as far as testing and how the data that affects the K through 12 public education, what kind of things that we can look up or as educators or as school districts, um, which will hold schools accountable to um, our students' progress and learning environments that they take place in. We're able to see the California Assessment of Student Performance and Progress in English, language arts, uh, mathematics, and science, as you see here. Um, and so as we go on, I'm going to be able to show some of these. I'm going to go through them and show some examples of what we can find on those. But as we move on here, there's also uh, information that has to do with the National Assessment of Educational Progress and how it pertains to California and um, how we are doing at a state as well as a national level. Same reading and mathematics by grade level, and also by grade level, and then disaggregated by student group as well. How does it affect educators? It affects all educators. There's uh, a lot of legislation that educators must be aware of. The SARC reports contain teacher credentials and their education levels. It lets teachers know the number of instructional minutes that are offered in a school year and a list of conditions that are to be assessed um, by the School Accountability Report Card or SARC. Uh, it contains results by grade level from the assessment tool used by our school district and after it's developed by the statewide district. So, along with the other results and scores that we saw in the testing before, there's also things that pertain to us as teachers that we need to know, and there's also information that the parents can see on a SARC pertaining to us as teachers as well. There's something important that I saw that this school accountability report card also has a No Child Left Behind information on there, and it talks about the status of the adequate yearly progress that is defined by the No Child Left Behind. It gives graduation rates according to the formula approved by U.S. Department of Education. And also, I like this one with the extent to which highly qualified teachers are teaching classes in core content areas. I think that helps kind of provide a benchmark as far as what we want to do there, as far as how to become a more effective teacher. If we go to this link here, I'm going to see if I can do it. I'm not able to go to this link, obviously, now, but this link will take you. You could go to this link and go right to the CDE and California Department of Education, and then you could look up the high school and bring up the high school the report card for the high school, and it will give all of this information here that is provided that I just talked about. So that it pretty much wraps it up as far as what a school accountability report card is. Um, So if you want to look up any of that information, you can look up your schools and find those out. All right, thanks. Bye.